Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset YouTube recommendations. So the first step you simply need to do is to open YouTube and you need to log in into your Facebook account on your YouTube account first. So let me clear this step and open YouTube application. You can do this on your smartphone as well, but I am doing on PC. So click on your channel icon and here you can see your data in YouTube. Click on that option, scroll down, and here you can see YouTube watch history. Click here, and here you can see different options. You can turn off this as well, and you can manage your history, or you can delete all your history here by clicking on this button of manage history. And here you can see option of delete. Click here and delete custom rate, delete all time. If you want to delete all time, click here and delete your all history. And once you clear all your history, you need to turn off the history, and after that your recommendations will be changed, because here you can see that YouTube videos that you watch on the YouTube will affect your recommendations as well. So this is the process how you can reset YouTube recommendations. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.